All right, a quick and easy one. Well, hopefully it's easy. Sometimes we just want to pull out a common factor. We're not going to use fancy things like harmonic quadratics and all that kind of stuff. It's just like, is there something that appears in both of these terms, that appears in both 3x and the 12y, that I can pull out the front instead of brackets? So, if it helps, split it wherever there's a plus or a minus, and we're looking. Now we know the two pieces we're looking at. Is there anything? Look, do the numbers first. You hear me say that often. Do the numbers first. Is there anything that fits into both 3 and 12? Well, hopefully you can see that 3 does. So I'm going to pull 3 out the front of a set of brackets because 3 fits into 3 and 3 fits into 12. There are no letters that are common to both, so there's no letters I can pull out of this one. What do I need to multiply 3 by to get back to the 3x? Well, it's going to have to be 3 times x, because 3 times x gives me my 3x. What do I multiply 3 by to get back to 12? Well, 3 times 4 will get me to 12. That's going to be a positive 4. But there's also a y, because I'm trying to get to 12y. So 3 times 4 is 12. Don't forget the y. That's my common factor. I've pulled out the front. Now, we'll talk about in another video why we might want to do this. I'm going to give you guys one to work on yourselves in a moment. Alright, let's not muck around. Let's go for something a little bit harder. Can you guys factorize this for me? 10ab plus 15a squared b. I'm going to pause it, let you have a play with it. We'll come back in a moment. We'll have a look at a worked solution. Alright, there's only one line in my answer, but I'm going to have to walk you through it so you know what I did. Alright, I'm looking for anything. Do the numbers first. Just do the numbers first. Anything that fits into 10 and 15. 5 fits into both of those. So I'm going to pull 5 out the front of my set of brackets. But are there any letters that are common to both? Well, I can see there's A here and there's A's here. So I'm going to pull out an A out the front as well, because 5A fits into this and it fits into this. Now we've just got to decide what else we need to multiply 5a by to get back to our original pieces. 5 times 2 gets me my 10, and I've got ab, so I need to have a b here, so that if I multiply 5a by 2b, I'll get back to my 10ab. Looking at the numbers here, 5 times 3 is going to get me my 15, so I'll need a number 3 in here. But to get to a squared, I'm going to need another a, because it's going to be a times a gives me my a squared, and the b. So looking at this, 5a times 3ab will give me 15a squared b. So it's in here are the things that get me back to my original when I multiply it by the factor we pulled out the front. That one's kind of a hard one, so you've got an easy one there originally, bit of a harder one. Hopefully that's going to get you everything you need. Good job, well done.